ब्राह्मणों की सारी कर्मकांडी पद्धतियां पूरे देश में विश्व में कथा गायन की जिन दो किताबों पर है वो किन की लिखी हुई हैं? एक महर्षि वाल्मीकि और दूसरी वेदव्यास। दोनों ब्राह्मण नहीं है, दोनों क्षत्रिय नहीं है, दोनों वैश्य नहीं है।
The person who was once an eminent poet and now is known as famous Manas Vyas claims that Valmiki ji was a Shudra, an Antyaj. But is that really true? Was Maharshi Valmiki truly an Antyaj? There are numerous references in various scriptures that clarify this. But even within the Valmiki Ramayana, written by Valmiki ji himself, we find direct evidence. Telling Sri Ramchandra ji about his identity, Valmiki ji said, Pracheta Soham Dashamaha Putro Raghav Nandana. That means, hey Raghav Nandan, I am the 10th son of Pracheta. In this way, Valmiki ji introduces himself. And in the same Valmiki Ramayana, he also refers himself as Bhargaven Tapasvina. This means he is a Bhargav, that is a descendant of Bhrigu. And who was Bhrigu? A Brahman Rishi. This clearly shows that Valmiki ji was a Brahman. Sometimes Valmiki ji is also described as a thief or a robber. To understand this, let's dive into Shivpura, where it is mentioned that in one of his previous births, a thief named Lohajanga was later reborn as Valmiki. It is also believed that in his Brahman birth, for a brief period of time, he engaged in wrongful deeds, but when he met Rishi Narad, he came under his divine guidance and devoted himself in bhakti and dharma. A very famous verse supports this idea. Lohajango Dvijo Yasid Rikshanamantarohisha. This means a Brahman named Lohajang later became known by the name Riksha. And this same Riksha in the Vishnu Purana is identified as the 24th Vyas, the one who later became known as Maharshi Valmiki. So from all these scriptural references, it is evident that Valmiki ji was indeed a Brahman. And this entire claim that he was a Shudra or Antyaj is nothing but a fabricated distortion of truth. And if one starts treating a poet as a Dharmgyata, an authority on religion, and begins to listen to what his imagined interpretations are, then such misconceptions are bound to arise. What's your take on that? Comment down.